right, family, once you log in, if you're in pre-K to second grade, this is what you will see as your dashboard. What is Imagine Math? So Imagine Math uses a standard-based curriculum to teach and reinforce math skills for basic numeracy to geometry. So Imagine Math Pre-K to Second is designed for young learners and focus on early math skills like counting numbers and operation and logical reasoning. Early learners are immersed in a storybook environment with lovable characters that engage students and illustrate how much math exists throughout their world. As your student plays Imagine Math Pre-K to 2, they can visit different locations like a treehouse, playground, forest, or barn to play math lessons and solve problems. This is the dashboard you will see if your child is in third grade and above. And what is that? So Imagine Math Grade 3 Plus focus on math skills for students in grades 3 to 8, Algebra 1, and Geometry with conceptual standard aligned lessons. If your student needs extra help, they can text chat with live state certified math teachers and see calculations on the screen. As your student completes the math lesson, they can earn points that they can use for a class competition. They can donate to qualified local and national charities, or they can buy enhancement for their avatar. Your students can access Imagine Math in a web browser from any computer or tablet by logging in with the URL and login information. Make sure you support your students' progress. You can help your students succeed by being involved in their Imagine Math experience. Encourage your student to use Imagine Math at home. Provide a distraction-free workspace and let your student work alone to figure out the math problem. Stay involved in your students' Imagine Math experience. Ask them what activities and lessons they've completed or what competition or charity they're donating their points to. Review your students' progress with their teacher. Discuss your students' overall progress, test results, growth towards states and national standards, and skills area where your students may be struggling. And if you are parents from grade 3 and plus, you can actually have a parent account. Unfortunately, Imagine Math Pre-K to second grade, there is not a parent account where you can keep track of. If you have any other question, please contact your child's teacher. Thank you.